Text reads ultraslow.com. 3 slow motion views of a snare drum are shown. 2 views show the top of the drum where drumsticks hit it. This causes the head of the drum to wobble up and down. The bottom view of the drum shows the snares. Thin, coiled wires of metal stretching across the bottom, vibrating as the drum is hit. The video ends.